How's it going, everybody? My name is Michael. We are here at the Fast Charger at Hawaiian Electric Kahului base yard, and with me is Mikey. So she's going to be joining us on our EV adventure.
That's right. Today we're driving over to Hyatt Regency Maui to learn more about how they save energy at their business.
Great, can't wait. So let's top up our electric vehicle and get going.
We're going to the Hyatt Regency Maui. It's over in Kaanapali.
How many miles is that?
Driving from Kahului to Lahaina, that's 26 miles versus the over 200 miles. It's charged up for
You
one
could
charge.
make a couple of trips back and forth if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
I think what shocks me every time I ride an EV is how quiet it is. I mean, not just while it's driving, but when you start it, you don't even know, like you started it when we left and I was like, did she start it? Because there was no sound, there was no like vibration, it's just on.
We're meeting Gary. He's the director of engineering over there, and he's going to tell us about all the projects he's done to save energy.
Yeah, I'm actually pretty curious how something so big like a hotel that services so many customers, how they save energy.
It's kind of a hard line to toe because they're in business to be front-facing guest experience.
Right, exactly.
And his job is to be able to have that quality of guest experience, but still try and save money at the same time for the resort.
So I'm Director of Engineering at Hyatt Regency Maui. I'm also the Area Director of Engineering for Hyatt in Hawaii. This gives me some responsibilities at several other properties and islands. We have several new technologies that we've deployed. First, we have a high efficiency fan coil unit. This thermostat is connected to our property management system. It'll bring the temperature of the room into a comfort zone, so as the guest enters the room, it's perfect. When the guest leaves the room, then the thermostat will automatically regulate the temperature up slightly, a couple of degrees, so that we're saving energy, but not allowing the room to reach a temperature that becomes uncomfortable. It controls the volume of air flowing into the guest room or circulating. It also controls the volume of chilled water flow. Those two in partnership will regulate humidity and temperature. Our swimming pool has variable frequency drives controlling our pumps, so that keeps the water circulating on demand as we need to keep the water clean and clear. In our restaurants, our exhaust fan systems for the kitchens are also operated by variable speed frequency drives. We monitor particulate in the exhaust, and we're allowed to speed the fan up if we're creating more smoke as we're doing food preparations. And if there is less smoke being generated, then the fan can slow down without losing any efficiency of keeping the kitchens clear. We're currently using an energy information system to combine management and oversight of various energy savings technologies. This allows us in real time and in an automated process to manage the environment that we live in to maximize energy savings.
So walking around the resort, how do we see sustainability being practiced?
I'm glad you asked that question. So we have self-tours available throughout the property, and we have maps at several locations, and each location provides the sustainability results of that specific area. We have recycling bins that allow customers to recycle plastic or food or general waste to the landfill. We have other signs that show locations of photovoltaics, and we're really proud to say that we've gone from 598 kW in power generation to 700 kW generation.
So you've done a lot through energy efficiency, energy savings, and sustainability. Where do you go from here?
You keep going. So I have an artificial goal of reducing the energy footprint of the resort by 50%. So I still have ideas that I'm working on, and I'm willing to share with anybody so that they can take advantage of these technologies to do the same thing. Let's save some energy.
So that's the Hyatt Regency Maui. We learned a lot about how they save energy, but also about how they're sustainable too.
I think the big takeaway for me is that everybody needs to do their part. Large commercial customers like this here at the Hyatt Regency can do their part in sustainability and energy efficiency, and we can do our part at home too.
That's true, absolutely correct. So that was a wrap for our EV Adventures episode 2. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next one.